check the display's position. When the display presses the throttle is triggered in advance, but the control can't get the signal. So when we power it on, the control has no time to react. Then it reports the error code. Press throttle and the rear wheel is stationary. If this is the case, you should move the display forward. This ensures enough space is left between the two parts. When you press the throttle, the motor should work fine. A loose connector can cause poor contact. You can power off and unplug the battery connector. Remove the 4 screws on the case. And unplug the black connector. Check if the pin header is intact. If something goes wrong, you can contact us at support@qualisports.us. If there's no problem, then wait 10 seconds and replug the connectors. Press the throttle, and the motor works fine. Tighten the case. Remember to plug in the power cord. It is the least thing we all hope for. This can happen during violent transport. 2 types of damage are involved. Tier 1. Physical damage that we can tell from the outside. 2. Internal damage that cannot be seen directly. After the above solutions, if the throttle still does not work, please contact us at support@qualisports.us.